Hello, my name is Benu. So today I'm making a video regarding English communication. So I'm sure that you will definitely love and give like to this particular video. So in case you have any kind of feedback for this particular video, so you can definitely mention in the comment box. In case you like it, please hit the like button, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button. So we were discussing about communication skills, your body language, how is it important. So why body language plays an important role in your non-verbal communication. So we were already talking about the two ways of communication, that is verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So how body language plays an important role in communication, we already talked about that. So we'll move further with three to four points that I have. So in case you want to join my classes, you can contact on the number that is displayed on the screen, and you can opt for the physical classes that is available for all the subjects, including history, science, mathematics, English, spoken English. So all the classes are available for standard 4 to standard 12, CBSE, ICSE and CHSE Odisha students. Okay, in case you want to join my classes, please contact on this particular number. The next point that will help us to communicate is maintaining eye contact. So you have lots of students in your class, you have lots of people sitting in front of you, and maybe you are addressing a particular forum. Okay, you have to develop an eye contact between you and your viewers or your listeners who are listening to you. In case you don't do that, then people may start sleeping in your class, or they would be less attentive to your sessions, right? So they won't ask any doubts, any questions to you, cross question. There should be interaction between both of you, physical interaction. In case you don't look at them, so you have to just go through. Okay, you have to look at them properly. In case you don't do that, then also it's a problem, right? So they will feel like you are speaking to someone else, right? So you have to make an eye contact, proper eye contact to everybody in the class. Say for example there are 30 students in your class. So in case if you don't look at them, then they will do something else. They will start talking, they will start gossiping, or they will do any other tasks in between them. They can play, right, amongst themselves. They can chit chat among themselves. So this also happens with us adults, right? So whenever we go to some meeting, do whatever you do in your life, but also you have to do it with 100%, right? Say for example you watch a movie. If you don't watch it seriously, then whatever you are going, the entertainment, you'll miss it, right? In fact, we are in a meeting, we are in an important meeting, then we open our mobile and we go through the social medias, right? So that is quite bad. Okay, so your concentration has to be there. So in case your trainer or facilitator is maintaining the eye contact, okay, nobody will go out of track. So there is the very important key to maintain eye contact. The next point is respect your audience. Okay, so the audience that are there in this particular forum, so whom you are speaking to, you have to respect to them. So in case you don't respect to people, why would people respect you? Okay, so you have to understand that particular point and start respecting people. Don't abuse people. Okay, so maybe, so every time is not constant, right? It keeps changing. So you have to respect every individual. You cannot disrespect to anyone. If you see Swami Vivekanand, or if you see APJ Abdul Kalam, so whatever teaching that they have given us is all because they asked us to stick to the earth. So whenever we are going up in our career, so we try to be a little bit arrogant. Attitude is coming within us that I came such a long way, but however that is not good. So sticking to the earth, down to the earth, maintaining it every time is quite essential in this generation. So the next one is make communication a priority. So how can you make a priority? For example, you see some videos for entertainment, right? So we can start watching few videos that are in English. This is very important because you need to frame your sentences. So how will you get that idea of framing sentences? If you keep listening to English readers, English viewers, so read something frictional, non-frictional, dramatic books, okay, novels. So whenever you get some time, read any kind of novels that you get in front of you. So you'll get a lot of idea from these novels. Start reading newspapers. Okay, so everybody now has an Android phone, so they can typically go to open any of the news applications and read it thoroughly. Right, so you will enhance your vocab in that particular case. So you will add more words to your dictionary, the dictionary that is there, that is stored in your mind. So you'll get all these particular new words. So don't worry about the new words. So the words that you already have in your mind, start building up more words with the help of that dictionary. Start developing these sentences. So until and unless you make an effort, no one is going to make that effort for you. Okay, so start doing it right away. Listen to TED Talks. Okay, so TED Talk is an application that is available on Android Play Store and also your Apple platform. So you can download it and listen to TED Talks in English. Okay, so these TED Talks will help you gaining confidence. Okay, so I'm not asking you to listen to that in Hindi, but however, listen to them in English. Listening to them in English will boost your confidence, will guide you how to enhance your communication skills. So that is important. Please do that. So let's meet you guys in the next video. So in case you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon besides it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.